guys, good morning. Dito ako ngayon sa DepEd NCR guys. Ayan guys, oh. Yan. Yan yung building ng DepEd NCR guys. Ano? Anong pangalan na guys? Ayan guys. 50 NCR, Capital National Region. Taga-DepEd guys ang naglalakad. Ayan. Ayan guys. Thank you for watching guys. Ito yung building guys, ang taas. Alam mo ilang palapag to guys ha. Oh. Wow, taas. Condominium. Ayan guys, thank you for watching.